Let's be honest, some kitchen gadgets look cool but are totally useless. But these 15 Amazon finds actually work, save you time, and make cooking a breeze. Let's check them out. At number 1, let's upgrade your breakfast with the Keenstone Smart Digital Toaster. This isn't your average toaster. It features a sleek, angled touchscreen so you can select your settings without even bending down. What makes it truly special is the memory function. Once you find your perfect golden brown setting, you can save it for one-tap use every single morning. It has 6 smart presets, including options for bagels and even gluten-free bread. If you're just toasting a single slice, the smart single slot mode focuses the heat to save 40% more energy while ensuring an even toast. Plus, with independent dual-zone controls, you and your family can toast different items at the same time, exactly how you like them. It's smart, stainless steel, and looks beautiful on any countertop. Next is the Enchanted Tea Pot. This heat-resistant glass masterpiece uses a unique strainer for perfect brewing control. It features an elegant wood grain handle and a secure lid that never falls while pouring. It's a beautiful way to turn your daily tea routine into a relaxing ritual. Beautifully packaged, it's a stunning gift for any tea lover. Tired of uneven slices? Or worrying about your fingers while chopping? This stainless steel onion holder is a total lifesaver. Its sharp needles keep your vegetables perfectly stable, ensuring uniform slices every single time. It even doubles as a professional meat tenderizer, and the non-slip handle gives you maximum control. It's a simple tool that makes meal prep faster, safer, and much more enjoyable. If you love hosting dinners, you know the struggle of keeping everything warm. These XL electric warming mats are a complete game changer. They use graphene technology for fast, even heating, and the surface actually changes color from purple to orange to let you know it's hot and ready. You get 2 mats in the set, which you can use separately or connect together for a massive buffet-style setup. With 8 precise heat levels and a built-in timer, you have total control over every dish. It even features a child lock for extra safety, and the waterproof silicone material makes cleanup a breeze. When the party is over, just roll them up for easy storage. It's the perfect way to keep your meals fresh and warm from the first bite to the last. Stop struggling with wooden spoons to break up ground meat. This professional-grade meat chopper is made of durable stainless steel and features a unique 6-blade curved design. It effortlessly mashes beef, turkey, or even potatoes, much faster than any standard tool. It's easy to clean, heat-resistant, and a must-have for anyone who wants perfect results with every meal. Upgrade your sink with this smart LED kitchen faucet. The most incredible feature is the self-powered digital display, which shows the water temperature in real time, using only the water flow, no batteries required. The screen even changes color to protect you from burns, making it both stylish and safe. Made from premium 304 stainless steel with a fingerprint-resistant matte black finish, it features a dual-function pull-down sprayer for full sink coverage. It's incredibly easy to install yourself in just 15 minutes and brings a high-tech, modern look to any kitchen. Craving a bar-quality frozen drink at home? This smart Slushie machine is a total game changer. Forget about adding ice. Its rapid freezing technology turns your favorite beverages into smooth slushies or even soft-serve ice cream in minutes. With a sleek LED touchscreen and 6 preset programs, you can easily craft everything from margaritas and frappes to creamy milkshakes for the kids. It has a generous capacity for parties, and when the fun is over, all removable parts are dishwasher safe for an effortless cleanup. It's the ultimate all-in-one appliance for any family gathering or home bar. Transform your cluttered countertop into a clean and organized space. This 2-tier stainless steel dish rack is a total lifesaver for busy kitchens. It's compact, yet surprisingly spacious enough to hold 20 bowls, 10 plates, and all your favorite mugs. The best part is the smart drainage system with a 360-degree base that directs water straight into the sink, keeping your counters dry and mold-free. It's rust-proof, incredibly sturdy, and takes only minutes to set up without any tools. If you're looking for a sleek, modern way to keep your kitchen spotless, this is the perfect solution. Love freshly grated cheese, but hate the effort and the mess? This rotary cheese grater is a total game changer for your kitchen. With its 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can shred cheese 18 times faster than doing it by hand. It's designed with your safety in mind, featuring a food pusher that keeps your fingers far away from the blades. Whether you're slicing potatoes, chopping nuts, or shredding a block of cheese, the powerful suction base keeps everything rock steady. When you're done, just pop the blades in the dishwasher and tuck everything away in its compact storage box. It's fast, safe, and comes with a lifetime warranty for total peace of mind. Stop letting your food go to waste and start preserving it 6 times longer. This FEPPO handheld vacuum sealer is compact, wireless, and incredibly powerful. Unlike bulky machines, it features an innovative water tank that catches liquids, preventing messes and protecting the motor. With one-touch operation, you can seal dry foods in just 5 seconds, or use it for meats and vegetables to keep them fresh in the freezer. It comes with 30 reusable, BPA-free bags, which are durable and easy to wash. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or packing for a camping trip, this portable tool is a total lifesaver for your kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen's cleanliness with this smart and stylish dual-compartment trash can. Gone are the days of messy recycling piles, as this 60-liter unit makes it effortless to separate your trash from your recyclables all in one place. It features a specialized Clean Aura odor control pod that neutralizes unwanted smells, keeping your home smelling fresh all day long. The sleek, matte black stainless steel finish is not only beautiful, but also fingerprint resistant. Plus, the slow close lid ensures a gentle and quiet operation with no loud slamming noises. With built-in bag tucks to hide excess liners, it's the perfect blend of modern design and ultimate functionality for your busy home. Bring the authentic Italian cafe experience right into your own kitchen. This Maestri House espresso machine features a powerful 20-bar Olka pump, ensuring a super stable extraction for that perfect rich crema every single time. Thanks to its built-in flow meter, every cup is consistent, balanced, and bursting with flavor. It's incredibly fast, too, heating up in just 60 seconds and delivering a professional shot in under half a minute. The sleek, compact design saves valuable counter space, while the built-in steam wand lets you froth milk for creamy cappuccinos and lattes. It's elegant, user-friendly, and the ultimate upgrade for any coffee lover's morning ritual. Hosting a family breakfast has never been this easy. This powerful 1300-watt electric griddle features a massive 18 by 10 inch surface that can serve up to 8 people at once. What truly sets it apart is the detachable touch control panel and its incredible IPX9 waterproof rating. This means the entire grill plate can go straight into the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleanup. It heats up in just 10 seconds with smart zones that sear in the middle while keeping your sides warm on the edges. When you're finished, the innovative, foldable design makes it easy to tuck away in any small space. It's durable, high-tech, and built to last a lifetime. Ready for the ultimate movie night? This V-Minnow hot air popcorn maker delivers fresh, crispy popcorn in less than 3 minutes, with absolutely no oil required. Thanks to its advanced heating technology, it has a 98% pop rate, ensuring almost zero wasted kernels. But the smartest feature is the 2-in-1 lid. Once the popping is done, simply flip it over and it becomes your serving bowl, so there are no extra dishes to wash. It's compact enough for small apartments, incredibly easy to clean, and features a simple one-touch operation that's safe for the whole family. It's the perfect way to enjoy a healthy, guilt-free snack whenever the craving hits. Finally, meet the gold standard of healthy cooking. The Cosori Iconic Air Fryer combines a sleek stainless steel design with a PFAS-free ceramic coating for ultimate safety. Its powerful DC motor ensures faster and more consistent results, whether you're roasting, baking, or air frying. You can even control and monitor your meal right from your smartphone using the VSync app. It's not just an appliance, it's a masterpiece that delivers restaurant-quality flavor every single time. That's it for today's Clever Home Finds. All the links to these amazing products are waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for your daily dose of smart home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.